Even though Croatia is a relatively small country, it experiences both a coastal and continental climate. Croatia doesn't have the extreme weather differences like nearby countries. However, when referring to travel, there is some contrast between pre, post and peak season conditions. Pre-season in Croatia starts in April. This is the first month of the year that you'll start to feel that summer isn't far away. The nights are still fresh, the daily temperature is starting to rise and rainfall is decreasing. The daily average temperature is 13 degrees Celsius and can reach as high as 17, making it the perfect time to explore if you prefer fewer crowds or enjoy active vacations. During May, the towns and ports start to fill up with tourists. This is not surprising at all, as the average temperature reaches 20 degrees Celsius, with highs reaching 23 and the average low temperature being around 15 degrees Celsius. The average sea temperature is around 18 degrees Celsius, meaning that the braver ones among us will definitely head out for a swim. June is the month that sets the tone for the oncoming peak season in July, with daily average temperatures being around 22, highs reaching up to 27 and lows dropping to 19 degrees Celsius. This in turn ensures that sea temperature rises to a pleasant 22 degrees Celsius. Being the hottest month of the year, July is the real representation of a Mediterranean climate. Daily average temperatures are reaching at high 30 degrees Celsius and only go as low as 22, while the sea temperature rises to a perfect 24 degrees Celsius. Very similar to July, August is hot and dry, being in constant competition with July for the title of the hottest month of the year, with the sea temperature sitting at a lovely 25 degrees Celsius. The daily average temperature sits at 25, with highs of 30 and lows of 22 degrees Celsius. It's not uncommon for the summer weather to linger into autumn, making September the perfect time to explore Croatia. Average daily temperatures range from 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, with highs being 25 and the lowest reaching around 18. While still mostly dry with a sea temperature of around 23 degrees Celsius, September features ideal beach weather. When we talk about October, we talk about autumn in Croatia. It's still warm, but temperatures are lower, the weather is wetter and the days are shorter in comparison to summer. October's average daily temperature is about 18 degrees Celsius, with highs decreasing from 20 to 18 and lows from 14 to 12. With the average sea temperature at around 20 degrees Celsius, you'll still be able to soak the sun on the beach and swim, or you can always wander around. You'll see the last of the late autumn sunshine in November, with 5 to 7 hours of sun per day and an average daily temperature of around 12 degrees Celsius over the course of the month. High temperatures can reach around 15, while lows are around 7, and the sea temperature sits at around 16 degrees Celsius. The weather in Croatia is varied, but regardless of whether you'd prefer hot or mild conditions, there is the perfect weather for everyone to explore, relax and unwind.